I have been sick for past 2 weeks and I couldn't do things, and there are more things that I have been avoiding as well. Knowingly and unknowingly, but I was not at like home in this home. I was at my mom's home because I was sick and I just couldn't. But that is why I'm filming this vlog. So in this vlog I'm gonna be doing everything that I have been avoiding or couldn't do. So it will be most likely a reset vlog, but it's gonna be more than that, because in this it's gonna be fun day, I think, because I have been avoiding my manicure and pedicure since so long, even before I was sick. So I'm just gonna do that today, and then so many different stuff which I'm going to tell you later in the vlogs. And right now I'm gonna have to clean my home, like deep clean my home, and it's not morning, trust me. It is noon already, and I have like cleaned up my kitchen already. So I just left with the rooms and other stuff. I just thought that I can just use this eye patches. Let's get into it. I literally cleaned the kitchen a few minutes ago. This was not matcha. This is wheatgrass. I drink this in the morning. I don't know why I never show you this. This is the part of my morning routine. I have shared before that this is why I don't hate matcha, because I have a habit of drinking this. Matcha cannot be worse than this. This is actual grass, and it feels like you are just having grass, but it is very good. It has like amazing antioxidant. It helps in bloating. It really helps in bloating. Mind me, I will have to order few things from Blinkit because I want to have a nice breakfast, and then we are going to take shower. I am so tired. I terribly need a hair wash, like good hair wash, which we are going to do soon. Um, it's time I remove these hydrogel. I don't know if I told you earlier in the vlog or not, but this is from Quench Botanic. It's their Bravocado Hydrogel, hydrating and brightening eye patches. I love them. I so love them. So I'm going to open Blinkit. I used to be so different, but honestly, clean home, taking time for self care and all the grooming and stuff is literally therapeutic. I can sense the change in myself. I just love these kind of stuff. I figured it is very late. Obviously, बहुत time लग गया घर साफ करने में. I have lost all the time and it's so late. I have to go out as well. I had my lunch and now I was actually checking Yes Madam to book my mani and pedi, but the timings doesn't align with mine, so I have booked it for tomorrow. I cannot live with these nails. Your nails should always be clean. This is another thing that I have been avoiding. I haven't styled my hair in days, and this is not me. You all must know, probably know, that I always style my hair and it is another step to looking put together all the time. I'm going to quickly do my skincare, and there's another thing I want to tell you, that I'm going to be using this Kans range. I don't know for what reason when I shifted here I packed these. I hope you can understand whatever I'm feeling right now. So I packed these and then I never used them. So I thought I have been avoiding this as well. So we need to change that too. It is. I still have to do the lips. You know, I do the lips at the very end. I have ordered a few things, like a lot of things from Myntra, because it's the end of reason sale. Skin is looking so pretty in like natural sunlight. It's, by the way, the golden hour time, and I am here. This is DLF, and it's new, so we are here to explore it. This is looking so amazing. The architecture, the whole designing and stuff, I like it. It is so open, so nice.
It is about absurdism.
We really need to find meaning in life. Strawberry या फिर caramel? Strawberry I think new है. You can try it.
Sorry.
I know. कल literally, okay, I'll tell you later. Taste test. It's amazing. It's amazing. How is this?
The strawberry comes so like
Subtle?
it's really nice, yeah.
So I was telling you, last night I had this in office and I was talking to one of my friends and she was telling me her experience. कोई लड़का ये पी रहा था and she was so confused और उसको कुछ new try करना था and it is new. तो वो ना मेन्यू की तरफ देख रही थी और फिर उसकी तरफ देख रही थी, तो उस लड़के ने लिटरली कहा कि अच्छी है, ले सकते हो.
What's wrong with strawberry, yaar? Relax.
I think there is nothing wrong, it's just color. But this is the first thing of anything strawberry that I like. I also got chocolate chunk. No, what is this? This is chocolate chunk tea.
Sorry, bro.
No, I'm
I
glad you
ate all
like
the
it.
strawberries.
Yeah, this is not how you drink it. Should we go to something street? Because since I'm just filming,
Street
I'm
food.
no, not street food, but I'm actually filming
You are.
things I should do that I have been avoiding or couldn't do for a long time. So I did not eat the momos for actually literally I don't even know months. मैंने मैंने जनवरी के बाद से नहीं खाए हैं वहाँ के मोमोज एंड it is street but it is fine, but I think I should have it.
You're telling me that that is what was so hard to explain. Like you just have
Yeah,
to
it
say,
was. मतलब मैं
I
पूरी
want to eat momos.
Good morning, it's another day. Just ignore my weird hair. Yesterday was so amazing. It was a nice experience. I found tofu there. It was so fun. Yesterday I styled my hair on very low heat because, like I said, whenever I'm using a hair mask and my hair is like conditioned on the same day, I do not like to use a lot of heat. So this morning I woke up so early. It is like 9 a.m. right now. I'm filming this. I woke up, I took a shower, and then I styled my hair, done my skincare, and right now I'm sweating. I'm going to make that pending breakfast. Blue carrot से मुझे matcha and some अगाई पाउडर का सैशे सैंपल मिला. आई डिडंट नो कि वो उसी में था. एंड सो आई सॉ दैट. एंड सो ऑन अ डिफरेंट नोट, today we are going to make matcha. I don't hate matcha, but I cannot say that I'm completely a matcha person. I got this almond milk bread fruit yogurt. This is from Mother Dairy, and ये blueberry है, and ये वाला Alfonso avocado, which I think I can never be a matcha person. I wanted to. I tried it, and just regretting not making coffee for myself. Mm, amazing. I must say, I love when I do my hair, put some effort, and the way it looks, it's pretty amazing. But now I am done with my journaling, and I feel so good that I finally able to close this vlog. And yes, no, in this vlog I will not be able to show the nails because today I just want to focus on filming another YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy this vlog, and if you like self-care thing, if you like being elegant, if you want to learn how to be elegant, how to live elegant, and how to style effortlessly for your everyday, if you are a corporate girly just like me and want to dress up a little bit more, then do not forget to subscribe this channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.